Welcome to How to Live in Japan channel. 皆さん、おはよう、こんにちは、そしてこんばんは。Today, I will show you how to use your My Number card as a health insurance card or 保険証. If you watch the video to the end, you will know the changes and merits of using My Number card as your health insurance card. By the way, we share Japanese life information on this channel for foreigners living in Japan. I think this channel will be helpful and interesting for you. We provide information, researched, and summarized by our native Japanese members. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's talk about the insurance card function of My Number card. One function of My Number card will be added from the end of March this year. I will talk about 6 points. Use My Number card instead of health insurance card. From now on, when you go to a clinic or a hospital, you can use a card reader with a face recognition function at the reception. This is the card reader. This machine will be able to read your My Number card and accept it with a face recognition system or a 4-digit password. But you still need to bring your health insurance card because currently the prevalence of card readers is about 30%. So medical institutions such as hospitals that do not have a card reader require a health insurance card. It is recommended that you have 2 cards, your My Number card and your health insurance card, for a while. You can accurately convey the results of your specific examination and medicine information. You no longer have to give this information when you go to the hospital. If you receive a medical examination with My Number card, the hospital can automatically know the information of your specific medical examination and the information of past medicines. Therefore, you will be able to receive better medical care. It's especially convenient in the event of a disaster or when traveling. There is no need to temporarily pay high medical expenses. In Japan, there is a nice system called Kogaku Iryohi Seido, and this applies to anyone with a health insurance card. There is a monthly maximum limit on medical expenses in Japan based on annual income. If your hospital bill or medical bill exceeds the maximum limit, you will have to pay temporarily, but it will be refunded. That usually takes 3 months or so. But if you have your My Number card as your health insurance card, you don't need to pay temporarily any amount. You can have a medical examination even before your health insurance card comes into effect. If you go to a medical institution while you do not have your health insurance card due to changing jobs or changing your surname, you will have to pay temporarily 100% of the medical expenses. But you can get a refund later. Even if your health insurance card has not been issued yet, you only have to pay the self-pay amount if you go to the clinic with your My Number card. You can check your information on your mobile phone. You can check the results of your specific examination and the prescribed medicine on your mobile phone. When you buy a drug on the market, such as a drugstore, you can find the drug that suits you by showing it to your pharmacist. And lastly, it's easier to apply for tax return for medical expenses deductions. If your annual medical expenses exceeds 100,000 yen, then some money will be returned when you file your tax return. Until now, it was necessary to attach a receipt for medical expenses to deduct taxes, but since information can be managed with My Number card, it's no longer necessary. Finally, I will talk about the schedule of My Number card and the insurance card function. From the end of March of this year, you will be able to use your My Number card as a health insurance card at medical institutions and pharmacies. The detailed schedule has not been announced yet, so we will let you know in the comment section when it is announced. With the My Number card app, MyNA Portal, you can browse specific medical examination information in sequence. In October 2021, drug information and medical expense information will be available for viewing on the MyNA Portal. How to register My Number card as a health insurance card. In order to use it as an insurance card, you need to apply using the MyNA Portal app. Please see the video recording of the application process, which will be uploaded soon. How do you feel about this information? Please let us know in the comment section below whether you want to use your individual number card as your health insurance card. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Japan Life info. See you in our next video.